Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you awesome Excel function, period duration. This function is perfect for anyone working with finance or investment calculations, and it's super simple to use. It calculates the time required for an investment to grow to a specific value based on a constant interest rate. For this example, we have initial investment 20,000 euros, and we want to calculate how long it's gonna take to reach 100,000 with 5% annual return. Type equals P duration. Firstly, we need to select rate, which is our annual return 5%. Then we need to select present value, which is starting amount of the investment. And last, future value, that is the amount you want to achieve. In this example, it's 100,000 euros. As a result, we receive the number of years it would take to reach 100,000 with 5% annual return. We can change annual return to see how it affects the number of years needed to reach your financial goal. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Excel tips and tutorials.